This one was hard for me to answer because Soft-Pak it's everything for us, right? As soon as somebody answers the phone, that's the first thing customer service looks at. As soon as a truck goes over the scale at the transfer station, that's the first thing that the scale house operator looks at. It houses all of our pricing, our customer data, our entire operation, really. Yeah, so we're a family-owned and operated company. We've been servicing all of Long Island for over 70 years. We service 15,000 commercial customers and another 12,000 residential customers. Through many acquisitions, we've become one of the largest haulers on Long Island today. My family's a long-time customer of Soft-Pak, and I'm only 25, so that's all I've ever known. It's all we've ever had, and it's all I've ever used. As far as Heil, we've been running them for a long time, front loaders and rear loaders, and they're tough, durable products that sustain our business. Technology is key to running an operation today. It gives us insights into customer-specific data that allows us to make better decisions based off of the information that we collect, like a picture of each pickup, the GPS location, weights from the scales. All of that allows us to run a more efficient operation. Map-Pak allows us to visualize our routes alongside the GPS location of the trucks. So with all of that information, we're able to route our trucks the most efficient ways possible. We're using the Verif-Eye PSV that's integrated with Soft-Pak, and it allows us to get better insight into each customer pickup, where we have a picture of each pickup or a picture if we didn't pick up. So if a customer is blocked at 4 a.m. and there's a car in the way, and then the customer calls at 6 a.m. to tell you, hey, my garbage wasn't picked up, now we have a picture of what actually took place there, so we can have a better line of communication with the customer and give better service at the end of the day. As a fleet owner, it allows us to see what takes place at each individual customer's pickup. And from there, we can ensure that we have the correct service levels, that we're collecting the material that we should be, and that we're doing a quality job. What lies ahead is applying the same technology to other parts of the business. I'd like to see the AI brought over to the transfer station side, possibly, to see materials that are coming into the transfer station, what's in each container that's coming in. Here at Winch's Brothers, we embrace technology. We don't shy away from it because it helps us make better decisions to run our business. I would say that every truck should be equipped with this technology because having pictures of each pickup gives you more insight to what's actually taking place at each customer's pickup. The safety benefits of this technology, along with the pickups and productivity, have amounted to great success. Technology is going to play a huge role with what Winch's Brothers are going to do in the future.